Want a smooth hair-free bikini area but worried about the pain? Don't worry. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to achieve a pain-free Brazilian wax experience whether you're doing it yourself at home or prepping for a salon visit. Let's get started. A Brazilian wax removes all hair from the bikini area, front, back, and everything in between. Unlike shaving, which can cause stubble and razor bumps, waxing removes hair from the root, keeping your skin smoother for 3 to 6 weeks with less irritation over time. Waxing doesn't have to be painful. Follow these tips to reduce discomfort. Exfoliate 24 hours before to prevent ingrown hairs. Sensitivity. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before waxing. They can make your skin more sensitive. Breathe and relax. Tension makes waxing hurt more. Take deep breaths before each strip. The type of wax you use makes a big difference in pain levels. Hard wax. Best for sensitive areas. It sticks to hair, not skin, making it less painful. Soft wax uses strips and can be harsher, but works well for fine hair. For Brazilian waxing, hard wax is the way to go. Now let's go through the waxing process step by step. First, heat the wax. It should be warm, not too hot to avoid burns. Next, apply a thin layer in the direction of hair growth using a spatula. Let it set for a few seconds, but don't let it fully harden. Hold your skin tight and pull the wax strip quickly against hair growth. Repeat in sections and take breaks if needed. Finally, soothe the skin with aloe vera gel or a cooling lotion. After waxing, follow these tips to avoid redness and irritation. Wear loose clothing to prevent friction. Avoid hot showers, swimming, or sweating for 24 hours. Exfoliate gently after 48 hours to prevent ingrown hairs. Keep the skin moistured, but avoid heavy lotions or scented products. To keep your waxing experience as pain-free as possible, avoid these common mistakes. Waxing too soon after shaving. Your hair should be at least 1/4 inch long. Applying wax too thick. A thin layer works best and hurts less. Pulling the strip too slowly. This can increase pain and leave hair behind. Skipping aftercare. This can lead to redness and ingrown hairs. And there you have it. Now you know how to get a smooth, pain-free Brazilian wax like a pro. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more self-care and beauty tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments.